Hi, I'm Beth from the Vaddio team. Today, I'd like to talk about Vaddio's PrimeSHOT 20 HDMI, a PTZ camera that provides high-definition performance without breaking the budget. We packed a lot of great features into this one, and I only have a couple of minutes, so here we go. Let's dive in. PrimeSHOT 20 is an HDMI camera with IP streaming, which makes it ideal for large conference rooms, lecture halls in higher education, local government chambers of commerce, and for houses of worship. With Vaddio's PrimeSHOT, you get best-in-class 1080p image quality at a really outstanding value. Let's take a look at the ports on the backside. PrimeSHOT has flexible output options so you can easily replace existing cameras or design an entirely new system. It offers simultaneous HDMI, S-video, and IP streaming. An Ethernet port connects the camera to your network, and the RS-232 port provides an option to connect to a camera controller or a third-party control system. A rotary switch allows you to select the video output resolution. This camera has a 20 times optical zoom, a 55-degree field of view on the wide end, and it works great under low light conditions too. PrimeSHOT has an intuitive web-based user interface for remote configuration. You can even manage the camera remotely while monitoring the stream separately. You can adjust color, shading, backlight, and dynamic range to optimize the results. There are 16 configurable camera presets to handle multiple camera angles and settings, and even lighting conditions. One last thing, PrimeSHOT is also available as a bundle with C2g Hdmi Extenders. This lets you send 1080p HDMI signals up to 50 meters using a single Cat 5 or 6 patch cable. If you'd like to learn more about the PrimeSHOT 20 HDMI, contact us today at Vaddio. We create the art of easy.